Hi everyone, I think we've all been there, automating a report or invoice in Google Docs using n8n. Replacing text is very easy, but when it comes to inserting an image, it's more difficult and it's getting messy easily. In this video I will show you the exact way how to do it, not only replacing text, but we will be using the Google Docs API to find a placeholder and swap it for a real image. So we go from this into that in this video. And now let's start building. We start with a template like this, and we will replace all the placeholders with text and image. So these are the placeholders. You can choose whatever you want, but make sure they are unique and try to keep it consistent. First we start with the text part, as images require a completely different approach. Okay, now let's go to n8n. We start with copying the original template file so we keep it clean and it can be reused many times. So Google Drive, and here we choose copy file. And here we select the template file and we give it a new name. I did run a bit out of inspiration, so this will be the new name for the file. In this newly created file we will update the text placeholders with the text we need. We do that by the update a document node. Google Docs and update a document. Here we have the document ID. And what we're going to do is text object, and the action is find and replace text. When we go back to the template, this is the text that will be replaced. So intro text and one text. Here we choose find and replace. The old text is the placeholder. And we replace the placeholder with a new text. Okay, a bit boring, but I did run out of inspiration. And now we're going to replace the second placeholder too. And we choose find and replace text. The old text had as placeholder one text, and we're going to replace it with. And now if we execute this step, we can check the new document that has been created. So as you can see, the two placeholders have been replaced with the new text. And now the image part. So if we go back to our workflow, and here at action, object text, so that's the placeholder, find and replace text, you can only replace it with new text. If you replace it with a URL of the image, it will just show the URL of the image, not the image itself. So it requires a different approach. For replacing an image, we need to make an HTTP call to the Google Docs API. So this is the API call that we're gonna make. We're gonna make a post call to this URL. And what do we need in this HTTP request? This is the body that is needed. So we need the URL of the image that we want to display, and we need the location of the image. The location is the index. So if we go back to our template, the index or the location where the image has to come is in fact just the position before the placeholder. So if this character was 1, this location is 0. So this is the index we need. And how do we get this index? Now go back to our workflow again. So as said, first we need to know where to insert the image. And for that we import the document and search the location of the placeholder. And for that we use the get document node. And we already have the document ID, so we use this one. And if we execute this step, You see it gives the complete content of the document, also the image here placeholder. And from here we can detect the index where the image has to come. You can write a code block to get the index for the placeholder, but for me the easiest way is just to use a simple edit node. So we're gonna call this index, and the value will be, and in this content we look for the index of the placeholder, and that is done by this. Here we put the name of the placeholder. So as you can see here, the result is 116. So the image will come on index 116. So execute this step. This is part 1. It is a post request. This is the URL we need, but no worries, I will post it in the description of this video. The authentication is generic and OAuth 2. And here you choose the right credentials. And then for the body, we send a JSON body. And here we choose using JSON. And this needs to be in the body. So first of all, we need the index. And the index we already have. And now for the URL. We're going to start with a normal image. I have an image that I have online and have shared. Let's say we're going to take this one. I take the URL of this image, copy URL, and copy and paste it here. And now see what happens if I execute step. I get this error message. And this is because I was being stupid and I forgot something. The document ID. Delete this one and replace it with the document ID. And now execute it again. It should be okay, and now let's have a look. So here it is. Now there are two things. First, we need to resize this image and also get rid of the image here. First things first, let's resize it. For resizing, we add this block. So this is how the new JSON block looks like. So we've added the object size and I give it a width and a height of 150. So now let's see what happens if we execute it. So here you have it, resized the image. And now if we try to do the same for a shared picture on our Google Drive, let's check this one. Is it shared? If we take this URL and put it in the JSON file, let's see what happens. Internal error encountered. So for attaching or replacing the image placeholder by a shared image on your Google Drive, you need a different approach. I'm going to remove this tab. First of all, we need the ID of the image, and that we do by the search node. Search files and folders. and the file name is called Peter as a server, and then we execute it. Here we have the file ID. Now, the next step is to share this file. Back to Google Drive, share a file. We have to take the ID. We put the ID here. Add permissions, only read for anyone. Execute step. And okay, now this file is shared. Let's clean it up a little bit. And now we can connect it to the HTTP request node. And here we need to change some things. Okay, the index has changed from name. And now the URL is https drive.google.com. You see $ID equals, and here we enter the ID of the file. Okay, and now if we save this and if we execute the workflow, now go back and let's check this one. There it is. I forgot one thing. Still, the image here is still visible. But I think you know how to solve this one. Indeed, update a document. We have the ID of the document. Text, find and replace. The old text was, and we're gonna replace it with nothing. So it just disappears. So this is how you insert images in Google Docs, shared images from somewhere on the internet or images from your Google Drive. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe and stay tuned for my next videos. Have a nice day. Bye.